Support tip of the day. Climate change demands financial readiness, and credit is one of the most practical tools for acting before and after disruption. Preparing for climate impact means securing affordable financing for solar power, water storage, home upgrades, and insurance gaps, steps that depend on a strong credit profile. When climate events occur, good credit enables immediate access to capital for housing, repairs, business continuity, and essential services, reducing downtime and long-term financial damage. Actively monitoring, repairing, and strengthening your credit is a form of climate preparation. It lowers costs, accelerates recovery, and preserves choice when systems are under stress. In a climate volatile economy, clean credit is not optional, it is operational infrastructure for resilience.